Hello and welcome to AnuTech Tips. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of changing the mouse cursor on a Windows computer. Before we dive into the process, let's briefly understand cursor types. Windows offers various cursor schemes, including the standard arrow, hourglass, and more. You can also customize the cursor appearance to your liking.
To change your mouse cursor, first access the mouse settings. You can do this by going to the Start menu and typing Mouse Settings in the search bar.
Click on Mouse Settings in the search results to open the Mouse Properties window. In the Mouse Properties window, navigate to the Pointers tab. Here you can see a list of cursor schemes. To change your cursor, click on the Scheme drop-down menu. Choose a cursor scheme that suits your preferences. Windows offers several built-in options. To preview a cursor, simply hover over it. Once you find the cursor you like, click Apply and then OK to confirm your choice. If you want to customize individual cursors further, you can easily find custom cursor designs by searching on Google. There are many websites that offer a wide variety of cursor designs for free. You can visit websites like Cursors4U, www.cursors-4u.com, to explore and download custom cursor sets. Then click on the Browse button next to a cursor type. You can then select a custom cursor file from your computer. To see your new cursor in action, move your mouse around the screen. You should now be using the selected cursor scheme. If you found this tutorial helpful and want to stay updated with more tech tips and tutorials from AnuTech Tips, please subscribe our channel. Just click the subscribe button below and hit the notification bell to never miss an update. Thank you for watching.